So, tell me, why do you want to become a photographer? Yeah, sounds like one of those interview questions, right? It's like, well, what can you bring to our company to make us better? Well, I want to make money. That's one thing. And that's an acceptable answer, too. People say, oh, yeah, that's right. You make money. But as a photographer, it's important for you to ask yourself that question and give yourself an honest answer. I liked photography when I was young. And really to say you like something doesn't give you purpose. Why do you like it? That is really the question. Why do you like taking pictures? Why do you like photography? What is in photography that draws something out of you? To me, there was reasons when I was younger in high school. It would help me get in contact with people. I was kind of a shy person. It was easier than learning the guitar, and it was a lot easier than singing on stage. So it gave me the opportunity to express myself in such a way that I felt maybe a little bit safe. Maybe that's not a good thing. But if you can find out the reason why you want to be a photographer or an artist or really do anything in your life, it will give your passion purpose. And then it can guide you. And it always impressed me when there were those photographers or individuals that said, I really want to get this type of shot. I want to develop this. And it kind of, I wonder, it's like, how do they know that's what they want? Well, because they had purpose to their passion. They want to be able to express themselves in such a way to get this particular shot. One thing that really kind of touched me and really makes me want to deepen my ability as a photographer was when I did wedding photography. That I was able to take photos of something and give that to the bridal party or their family, and they would be taken back to that time and how much they enjoyed it. And I was like, man, I didn't think, well, man, I'm good. I said, wow, I was able to bring some happiness, some joy to these individuals with my perspective and my camera. So that was kind of what really kind of drove me. Now, again, because I got detoured and I lost my purpose for my passion, I just kind of fell back into making money. That's what they tell you. You got to get a real job because photography is an art form and you don't want to be a starving artist. You don't want to, but sometimes you end up being that way, right? But if you can find out what you like about photography, you might say, well, hey, you know what? I feel like I got a knack for it and I want to make money. Well, do that. You can do that. But remember, your passion will always come out in your work, especially as an artist. If you're doing anything, your insides will show on your work. The other thing is about me, I want to be able to have somebody say, oh, I like that photo. I want to put it on my wall. And every time they pass by, they may not think about me, but they'll get to see my point of view. And they're like, oh, well, I like that point of view. I like that view of this sunset or something. And so maybe that's what's going to drive you. You want to express yourself and get it out to the public and help them to appreciate things the way you appreciate them. But again, as I said, I would love to hear your comments on what drives you and why you're a photographer or want to become a photographer down in the comments below. But in all this, thank you so much for watching. And as always, carry your camera with you every day and challenge yourself to become a better photographer.